morning, members. I am Bharti Kumari, the principal of Baldev Public School. Our school is affiliated from CBSE New Delhi. Our affiliation number is 343062 and our school code number is 66748. Our school is run and managed by Baldev Educational Charitable Trust. Now let's move to our academic area. He is Mr. Ranglal. He is managing our guard duty and he also manages the visitor registers. Our school campus, total school campus area is 1.8 acre. This 18 acre. Alright, right. The founder of our school, he is Mr. Ramkrishna Mahato, the chairperson of our school. He is Mr. Rakesh Kumar Mahato, the manager of our school. This is the principal office. Let's move to principal office. Now let's move to our academic area. The total land area present is 1.18 acre and our building is fully furnished with 3 plus G building. This is our ground floor area. In this floor, our classroom, class 4, class 3, class 2 and class 1 is present in this. This is our class 3. She is the class teacher of class 3, Miss Kalina Kumari.
Good morning, ma'am. I am the class teacher of class 3A. The total number of my class is 40 and the number of boys is 20 and the number of girls is 20. Due to COVID-19, we are taking online classes and my today's topic is opposite word. Now we will see some examples of opposite day and the opposite of day is night. Thank you.
Our class 4. She is the class teacher of class 4, Miss Sushmita Kumari.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Sushmita Kumari, class teacher of Standard 4, and today I will be teaching maths because we are aware that because of this pandemic, we are taking the online classes. So before moving to the topic, I would like to tell that there are total 39 students in my standard, out of which you all can see that 18 are girls and 21 are the boys. So moving to the topic, today I am going to teach number names, that is on the basis of the place value of the numbers. I am going to teach how to write the names of the numbers. Suppose this is 7, 4237. I am taking the example 4237, out of which the number 7 is standing on the place once. Okay? It is standing on the place once. 3 is standing on the place tens. 2 has the place value of 100 and 4 has the place value of 1000. So on the base, the number names on the basis of the place value. Thank you.
This is our class 1A. She is class teacher of class 1A, Miss Geeta Kumari Mehta.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। ये मेरा नाम गीता है और मैं क्लास 1 की क्लास टीचर हूँ। मेरी क्लास में टोटल स्टूडेंट्स 35 हैं और 15 बॉयज़ हैं और 20 गर्ल्स हैं और ड्यू टू कोविड मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रही हूँ। कोई भी ऐसा जिसका उल्टा शब्द, जैसे कि बड़ा हो गया, बड़ा का उल्टा होता है छोटा, लड़का का अपोजिट हो जाता है लड़की, तो इसी को बोला जाता है विलोम शब्द। मतलब ऐसा शब्द जिसका अपोजिट शब्द बनता है, उल्टा शब्द।
She is our class 2A. Class teacher of class 2A, Miss Kesar Kumari.
I am the class teacher of class 2A and here we have a classroom of size 600 square feet. In my class there are 40 students. The number of girls is 19 and the number of boys is 21. Today I am going to take English and my topic is nouns. So explaining in this bit of pandemic, COVID pandemic, we are left with no other option other than taking online classes. So here are examples of things are table, chair, desk, books, etc. The names of all these person, places and things are called nouns. This is all for the today's English online classes and the students will practice the definition and the examples of nouns. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. This is our chemistry lab. In this chemistry lab that contains many chart papers, that is fire extinguisher, alcohol. And in this our bench that contains universal indicator, methylene blue, phenolphthalein, methyl orange and methyl red. This area contains test tube stand, this is pipette and pipette stand, and this is contains our wash basin. And in this area that contains 4 wash basin. This rack contains many chemicals that like sodium hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate, ferric chloride, lead acetate, sodium chloride, zinc sulfate, sodium metal, iron ferric, sodium carbonate, potassium chloride and zinc carbonate. This rack contains ethanol, sucrose, dextrose, calcium oxide, boric acid, barium chloride, ammonium ferrous sulfate, zinc metal, sulfur powder, wire lock, universal pH paper, red paper, litmus blue paper. This is our KIPS apparatus. This contains electric rating funnel. In this rack that contains maximum minimum thermometer, faucet and spirit level. This contains battery disc. In this rack contains, that is the measuring cylinder in different measure, volumetric flask, reagent bottle. This is the funnel and glass stirrer. This racks contains glass beaker, conical flask, flat bottom flask and round bottom flask.
Let's move to our computer lab. This is our computer lab. In charge of our computer lab.
Our computer lab covers up 600 square feet and we have 40 desktop units in our computer lab, and we use Windows 7 as our operating system, and for net we use Geo5 along with USB Wi-Fi dongle, and we have some wall charts to illustrate the students, and this is board where I illustrate the things to students, and this is stock register. In which all the items are mentioned.
Let's move to our maths lab. He is Mr. Santosh Kuswaha, our PGT maths teacher. He is also in charge of our maths lab.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Santosh Kuswaha, is in charge of the maths lab. Let me introduce about the maths lab. This maths lab's area is 35 into 20 square feet, that means 700 square feet. And this maths lab is divided into 2 sections, kids for junior section and kids for senior sections. For the stock register, this is the stock registers, and this stock registers contains the all operators with entry and with date wise. Magic circle, here the students can learn that the angle in the same segments are equal. This is the mensuration kit and bank check, set of 1 marbles. Here the charts are there, algebraic identities, pair of angles, multiplication of rational numbers. Rational number, that means the numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0. In triangle we learn that right angle triangle, angle having 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle. Capacity of this kitchen balance is only 1 kg and it can measure it very well. And let me introduce this chart. This chart is mensuration chart, and here the students can learn basic formulae of mensuration, that means square, cube, cuboid, and that circular cylinders, fraction, Roman numbers, and multiplication charts. So these all are the charts which are useful for the junior student and senior students.
Let's move to our physics lab. Abdul Kumar, in charge of our physics lab.
Good morning, ma'am. It's my physics lab. In this physics lab, that 40 students that experimented at This is our something chart paper, that's electric current, diode, sound, principle of Archimedes principle, motion, friction, multi-stage rockets, electric generator, and this is our stop resistor. All the material that will be separated in a proper way. Glass, concave mirror, convex lens, concave lens, and plane mirror. This rack contains vernier caliper, bar magnet, outside micrometer, electromagnet, and a spring balance. This rack contains drawing board, force, gravitation, and refraction of light. This rack contains transistor apparatus, analog, digital signal, digital multimeter. In this rack that contains switch is two-way, switch is one-way, and compass. This is electric model. This is young modulus, connecting wire, and watch glasses. And meter scale full and half.
Move to our biology lab. Is Mr. Aman Kumar Bhagat. He is in charge of our biology lab.
Good morning ma'am and welcome to the bio lab. Please visit us with me. Let me show you the stock and the products present in the bio lab. You can here also see that the models of different organs of our body are present here. Now let's move to the charts. You can see the various charts present in our bio lab regarding the plant kingdom, the sense organ present in the human body, hydra, and here in between the bio lab you can also see the skeleton that are present, human skeleton that is present in the bio lab. And of bio lab, here you can see the flowers and the flowering parts and various flowers that can be seen in the chart. Now the different organisms, again the fish, the poultry, life cycle of a butterfly that are present in the bio lab. And now comes to the stock register. We have each and every school and bio lab is present in the stock register.
Let's move to our geography lab. Aditi Sinha, in charge of our geography lab.
Welcome ma'am. We have I am in since 1 year from years and I am the geography lab teacher. There are some chart which is used in classroom also. How soil is formed and soil profile. Just see my board. It is maintained that the student can easily understand by this. By the way, geography environment is very essential part in our life. Medicinal plants. This is the topic from forest related with each other. This chart will be help. Universe. Now comes to the evolution of life. How our life should be evaluated or developed. Chlorophylls C6H12O6 plus C6H2O plus 6O2. This is the chemical formula of photosynthesis and it is important in environment as a chapter. It comes in geography. Solar fan, solar cooker, solar cell, and this is the model which shows as in classroom that student should capture what the topic as a solar. We have sun, earth, Jupiter, Mercury. Okay, and now we have globe. And not for see, we have regularly maintained our stock. What item should be maintained in our school?
Let's move to our library area. Pandey, our library in charge.
Good morning ma'am. Myself Pintu Kumar Pandey and my designation is librarian. This is our accession register. It is clearly designed and a total number of 2288 books have been entered in this register. This is library book issue register, secondary level, and this is reference book of Hindi up to senior secondary level. This is English textbook up to senior secondary level. Here, this is textbook of math and this is reference book of math. And this is science and reference books of science. Reference book of social study and this is computer, textbook and reference books also. And then is GK, general knowledge, and this is moral values, novels, Hindi, dictionary, reference books, this magazine series. In our library, 25 magazines have come every month. And physical map of the Jharkhand. Every day in our library have come 5 newspapers. India, and this is the physical map of the world.
Let's move to our sick room. Dr. Vinod Kumar Sinha, in charge of our sick room.
मेरा नाम विनोद कुमार सिन्हा है। मैं स्पेशल एजुकेटर हूँ और सिक रूम का इंचार्ज हूँ। ये हमारे पास फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स है। ये एक बेड है। बच्चे अगर किसी तरह से खेल कूद में अगर कुछ चोटिल हो जाते हैं या किसी तरह की समस्या होती है तो उन्हें यहाँ लाकर मैं फर्स्ट एड देता हूँ और उसके बाद उन्हें ज़रूरत के हिसाब उनकी उपचार करवाई जाती है।
This is our first floor. Classrooms are present in this floor. Class 5, Class 6, Class 7, Class 8 and music room is present in this floor. This is our Class 8A. He is the class teacher of Class 8, Mr. Aman Kumar Bhagat.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the Class 8A. The classroom area is around 600 square feet and the total strength of this classroom student is 37. Nowadays we are running our online classes due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Hence you can see the topics which I am teaching to my students online. Here is the plants and that are generally green in color. Different parts of the plants like root, stem, leaves and flowers. Attendance register of this class 7th A.
This is our class 7th A. Sanjita Pradhan.
Good morning, ma'am. I welcome you to the 7th class. I'm a class teacher of 7th A. So, ma'am, total number of students are here 38. Total number of boys are 25 and total number of girls are 13. So, as you can see, due to COVID-19 issue, we are taking online classes. So, today's subject is English and today's topic is rules of tests. So, students, we are today actually about tests we are going to talk about. So, in tests, you can see test is very important in English language. So, test is divided into 3 parts: present, past, and future. Plus ing is written here. So, this is the example of continuous future. He will be playing. Now, the next one is perfect continuous. In perfect continuous, has plus have plus third form of verb. As I told you earlier, students, there are 3.
This is our class 6A. Teacher of class 6A, Mrs. Kamla Kumari.
Good morning, ma'am. First of all, welcome to class 6. My name is Kamla Kumari. I am a TGT math teacher. I am class teacher of class 6. Total number of students in this class is 40, in which number of boys are 21 and number of girls is 19. Due to COVID-19, we are taking online classes. My today's topic is integers, in which we are teach whole number, natural number, integers, number line, etc. Thank you.
This is our class 5th A. From class 5th A, Mr. Mohanlal Mehta.
This is class 5. This is the period of mathematics. Total number of students in class 5 is 37 and total number of boys 27 and total number of girls is 10. This is the online class of the geometry and pattern. First of one, lines of the circle and the radius is half of the diameter of the circle.
This is our 3rd floor. In this area, our wetted rooms are present for standard secondary level. This is wetted room number 1, sports room. He is Mr. Manjeet Gupta, in charge of our sports room.
Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to our sports room. Myself Manjeet Gupta, and I am working here as a sports teacher. This is the stock register. All the materials which are present in sports room are entered here. In indoor, we are having chess, carom, ludo, skipping rope, and in outdoor, we are having cricket, football and volleyball, kabaddi, archery, and badminton.
Now let's move to our sports area. He is Mr. Manjeet Gupta, our PTI teacher.
Good morning, ma'am. Let's move to badminton court. This court is for both boys and girls. And this is our kabaddi court. This court is also for both boys and girls. And one archery is there. Archery court. This is the practice area for both boys and girls. This is our parking area. This is our cycle stand area. This is our assembly area.
Let's move to our music room. This is Seema, our music teacher in charge.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, मैं यहाँ की संगीत शिक्षिका हूँ और ये हमारे यहाँ के वाद्य हैं जिसमें ये तबला, ये डुग्गी और ये हारमोनियम, जिससे बच्चे प्ले करना भी सीखते हैं और सिंगिंग भी सीखते हैं। अभी कोरोना काल में कोविड-19 में यही हो रहा है कि ऑनलाइन हम लोग क्लास ले रहे हैं।
Now let's move to our art and craft room.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm an art and craft teacher. So as you can see, there are a lot of beautiful things are kept here, which is made of waste bottles, foam, and sticks. And you can see children have used many activities like ball, then spoon, then bangles. This looks beautiful. They have utilized the things. So that's all. Thank you.
This is our drinking water area. This is water purifier for drinking water. And there are some taps are also present for drinking water. This is our boys' washroom. There are three urinaries are present. And here 8 pans are present in boys' washroom. This is our girls' washroom. There are 4 pans are present in girls' washroom. This is our girls' urinary. There are 2 urinaries are present in girls' urinary.